Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to make the equation for the boat and stream related problem I selected. It's very interesting problem. Let us see. A motorboat goes downstream in a river and covers the distance between two coastal towns in 5 hours. It covers the distance upstream in 6 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 hours, find the speed of the boat in still water. Here you have some idea about what is downstream, what is upstream. Stream and still water means, stream means the water is flowing. That means the water is having some speed. Still water means there is no speed for the water. And what is upstream and downstream? For example, the water is flowing like this. Then this is the water flowing direction. This is the stream direction. So if we travel in the same direction with the boat, then we are saying we are going downstream. This is downstream, we can say downstream. That means what? Boat is traveling the direction which is stream is passing. That is called downstream. That means water and boat both are traveling same side, same direction. That is downstream. And what is upstream? If water is flowing like this, but boat is traveling in opposite direction, then we can say that is upstream. So whenever now you have some idea about downstream and upstream. Yes, so whenever the boat is traveling in the same direction of the water, then the time taken by the to cover the distance is less than it is traveling upstream. Whenever traveling the boat is in upstream, then what happen? The time will be increase. Why? Because here the boat is traveling in the downstream, water speed also it is included with the boat. But when the boat is traveling upstream, upstream, then the speed of the boat is resist from the speed of the stream, because opposite direction. So that is the idea, that concept idea we have to know first of all. Then we'll go to the problem. Now we have to solve it. Yeah, in this problem we are going to find the speed of the boat in still water. That means only speed of the boat we needed. What is the speed of the boat? We are going to find that will be x kilometers per hour. If we find this x, we can solve the problem. And second thing is, what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream given already 2 kilometers per hour. That is the speed of the stream. Now look at here. There are two cities are there. Here one city and here another city. So from here onwards we are starting. That means this is downstream, this is upstream. So to cover this distance, this is the downstream. So when we are traveling the downstream, we can complete this in 5 hours. But in the upstream, it takes 6 hours. For upstream, it takes time is taking 6 hours. But here one thing we have to observe, the distance is same for both the things, because only this distance only. The distance is same for both the things. Now if I take the distance is equal for both the sides, from here to here or here to here, distance is same, there is no difference. But whenever we are traveling downstream, it takes 5 hours, and whenever we are traveling upstream, 6 hours time we are taking. So now how can we find the distances? That means here one formula we all know, that distance is equal to speed into time. So the relation between distance, speed and time is distance is equal to speed into time. So if we know speed and time, we can find the distance. So what is our aim? first we have to find the distance of downstream, then we have to find the distance of upstream, then upstream and downstream distances both are equal. If we equate those two things, we'll get the equation. That is our plan. Okay, here first we have to find for upstream. So distance is equal to speed into time, we have to substitute it. For upstream I'll do it, upstream and downstream I'll take downstream. For downstream, what is the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time, we know that. But here speed, which speed we have to take? Speed of speed for upstream and speed means here two things are there. One is boat, another one is water also. Water also having some speed and a boat also having some speed. That's the reason here always in these kind of problems always we have to take the relative speed. So when the downstream is there, downstream, how to take the speed, relative speed, both together we have to take, because water speed is here supporting to the boat speed. That's the reason boat speed is x and water speed is 2. So x plus 2 is the relative speed of the given problem. Now speed we got it, that is x plus 2. And what is time for the downstream? Time it is taking 5 hours. So finally we got the distance 5x plus 10 is the distance for the downstream. At the second time, for upstream we have to find it now. For upstream what happened? Upstream also same distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. But here speed again it will changes. What is the speed for upstream? For upstream means what I said, the water force is resist the speed of the boat. That means the speed of the water we have to subtract from the boat speed. That is the relative speed of speed is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2. X is the speed of boat and 2 is the speed of water. So whenever we are taking relative speed for upstream, that should be subtract. So here again distance is equal to x minus 2 into what is the time taking for upstream, that is 6 hours. So we'll get 6x minus 12. I hope you understand. This is very important steps, these two are. So this distance is 5x plus 10 is the downstream distance, 6x minus 12 is the upstream distance, but both the distance are same. That's the reason we have to equate 5x plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 12. 6x minus 12. So finally we got the equation. If we simplify this, we'll get x value, that is the speed of the boat in still water. So my dear students, you have to remember in these kind of problems, whenever upstream downstream problems are there, you have to understand that concept properly. Because how to find the speed is very important. Here relative speed how to take, that is very important, because here boat is also having speed and water is also having speed. Downstream add the speeds, for upstream subtract the speeds, then substitute that time and whatever time. In some problem distance they may give, or distance also we can substitute. So such kind of problems you can solve in this way. Okay, I'll solve it for you. And here 10 plus 12, that equal to 6x minus 5x. Then 6x minus 5x is x, that is 22. So 22, what is this, kilometers per hour, kilometers per hour, 22x. So this is the, in this way you have to solve these kind of problems. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much. Share it, like it and subscribe.